Nusantara, officially the National Capital of Nusantara, is the proposed capital of Indonesia, set to be inaugurated in 2024. The planned city will replace Jakarta's 75-year status as the national capital. Located on the east coast of Borneo Island in what is currently part of the province of East Kalimantan, the city is expected to encompass an area of 2,560 square kilometers, featuring hilly landscape, forest, and a bay. Etymologically, the word Nusantara is a portmanteau term derived from Old Javanese Nusa plus Antara, which can be roughly translated as the outer islands. The term initially referred to the conquered territories of the Majapahit Empire that is present-day Indonesia. Nusantara was chosen as the new capital city name of Indonesia to embody the national vision known as Wawasan Nusantara and is also a reflection of the country's status as an archipelagic state. Based on local Kutanese oral tradition as recorded in historical manuscript Salasila Kutai, before the area was named Kutai in 13th century, it was also called Nusantara. In April 2017, the Joko Widodo administration considered moving the capital from Jakarta, with plans to finish assessing potential alternative sites for Indonesia's new capital by the end of 2017. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.